There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just woke up. Good morning. So today is on Tuesday. It's on a Tuesday morning, and I've decided to start my vlog today. I don't know what this vlog will be about. It'll just be a vlog throughout this week, but I might do some videos in the middle of the week because my babies are coming home. You know, high schools are going for their midterms tomorrow and Thursday, so my babies are coming home and I'm so excited. I might vlog when maybe cooking them some nice things. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's currently like 8. I wanna wake up, go have my breakfast, and guys, go watch my latest vlog. I just posted it. Like it, go watch it. It's interesting. And yeah, I might show you some. I saw that you really liked the self-care videos, so I might do some more self-care videos, like 2 more, because you really loved the video. And yes, some other videos you'll see. I just want to be active and post as much as I can, because I got the time now, because I need to be doing something like. And guys, go follow my page at Lashed by Shelsky and book your lash appointments, book your lash extension appointments at an affordable price for my file. If you're from YouTube, definitely I'm giving you an offer. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and click on the notification bell to get notified every single time I post. So let me get up and go have breakfast or something, but I'll first journal. I feel like journaling today, so yeah, I'll journal first, then go. I don't journal every day, but I do it times that I feel like it. And I'll show you something. I have like a gratitude jar that every time I feel grateful, or if at times I write it every day. I just write what I'm grateful for, then put it in my gratitude jar. So yeah, today I will journal. And can you hear my voice? Like I'm sick. I got the worst cold. Na sai sasa I feel hot. That's why I don't even have a sweater. So guys, stay tuned.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
I decided to clean my mom's whole unit. So this it's how it looked previously. It was so cluttered with everything. It looked so bad. Like, look at the medicine shelf. It had Q-Tex. Yeah, I know it looked really terrible. So I decided to clean this place up and declutter everything and rearrange it. So this is how it looked after decluttering everything. I wiped the shelves and yeah, it was bad. So that's how I arranged the wine glasses. I placed the little mats and arranged the glasses. This side I put in the wine glasses, and this other side I placed the other glasses, the water glasses. I don't know if that's how they're called, but glasses, yeah. So this door broke. I was placing the mats, and yeah, it was an accident. My mom understood that, and I felt so bad. So yeah, that's how it looks after rearranging the place, and I'd say it looks decent for now before I think of something else that I would do with it, or if we can change this whole unit into something different, because I know this design is old, but it will do for now. So I had to close that because my little brother leaves it open. I don't know why. So yeah, this is the final look. Had to place this blue jar here because it's my mom's, and she puts in her drinking water because she says it has a filter and it's healthy, I guess. So yeah, that's the final product of the wall unit. You guys can comment down below and tell me if there's anything I need to change. Yep. So I decided to cook chapati. So this is me massaging my big circle. I applied it oil and sauce, just like massaging it. You get it? So now I'm cutting it into lines. I was holding my phone, so it was kind of difficult cutting the lines properly, and I kind of started ruining it, so I had to place my phone down. So yeah, I continued cutting my lines. Yup. That's me cutting the lines. So I'm creating now the balls, the the two small circle balls that form a chapati. So yeah, this is how I create mine, and I had even one an apron. Oh my goodness. So that's how the balls look like once you create them this way. Yeah, after oiling them, they look really nice, really cute little balls. Yup. So that's how I do it, and I hate this apron. Like, it looks like a school uniform, but anyway, I'll change that. It just pisses me off that it's purple and it looks like a uniform I wore once of a school I really hated. But anyway, so that's how I do get my balls to look like that. Yeah, not my balls though, like the okay, you get the point. So so just watching me create my little cute balls, and I had to cut that. So my mom taught me, if the thing, that line that you cut the da into doesn't, you see that it can't create the size of the ball that you need, so you add, like how you've seen me add, like how I've added this one. So yeah, that's how you do it. So just watching me create these little cuties, and they look so good. Like, the end product looked so good. I don't know why I forgot to record like when they are all there after I finished, but anyway, if I ever do such a video, I'll do it. So yeah, that's so my dove, I don't know if that's how you call it, but okay, kio kingano kikubwa, I separate it into 3 huge balls, then like roll it into a huge circle, then apply oil, then cut it to create the small balls. Yeah, that's how I do it. Most people do it different. This is my style. This is how my mom taught me. Yeah, so yeah, that's how I do it. So here is me creating the small circles in order to make now chapati. No, this is me rolling the balls that I've made, yeah, into circles. I was really trying to make the circles look as circular as I can, cause at times I be creating like elephant ears, and so I was really trying my best to create perfect circles. So that's me sprinkling flour. I was trying to do it as professional as I can. I always do that so that it can form faster circle, because if I just start rolling it, it'll form oval, and I didn't want that. So yeah, and do you recognize the multitasking that's here? Like, I'm on the pan and I'm still rolling these circles, and they really look good. Let's not forget that. Okay, so I moved into oiling my no, here is the action, where the action is. Like, my mom used to cook, like, I don't know if she used to cook more than 3, but I learned how to cook 3 chapatis at a time. And don't mind my shape, like, they didn't come out perfectly, but we ain't focusing on the shape, more like on the taste. Okay, so that's how I oil my chapatis. I know most people do it different, like they oil it when it's, so me, I oil it then turn it. Most people oil it when it's already turned. And bro, did you see? Okay, let's wait and see that again, cause don't play with me, I can really cook. And let's not forget, I'm holding my phone, I'm the one holding the camera, and still like cooking this good. Like, oh, I'm a wife, hey bro, don't play with it, don't play with it. Yeah, so that's how I do it in the kitchen. Like, I can cook, I can clean. Oh, CG advertise. So are you ready to see the end product? 1, 2, yeah. Like, they turned out so good, and they were so sweet. Like, I'll interview my mom one of these days. Oops, had to turn it, had to flip it to show you. So yeah, and they all cooked equally, like evenly the same. So I had to flip it and just flex and show you that this girl can cook. Okay, bye. So that evening, I decided to get some work done. Okay, I was trying to apply something, cause when I tell you guys what I did to my life, like, bro, just pray for me, y'all. Just pray for me. I need prayers, cause so also here I'm just applying something that was really giving me, was like ilikuwa inanikula kichwa, but I had to do it that night. And yeah, so this is just me applying for whatever I'm applying for. Okay, I'll do a story time and tell you guys what I did. Okay, it was a decision I had to make sooner or later, but I think I made it too soon without thinking things through first. But yeah, I keep saying I'll do this story time, so akiniombeni ndo niwapee hii story, man. Just pray for your girl, man. Pray for me. So like, I look so serious, like, girl, take it easy, life ain't that serious. Yup.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Let's go. Baby, I was born.
I want to go. I don't want to go. For those who know, I do lash installations, so I want to go buy some because the set I had ended. Lash extensions. Then I need to go get my younger brother a SIM card, and I don't know where to get it, so I'm about to go and also look for the SIM card because I need to register it with my ID. So sorry for that. So I'm about to go, and yeah, so I think I'll go with you guys. I don't know, we'll see. Guess what I've just done. I've gone na nimeacha ID yangu. So why have I go?
I don't care.
Just to make a dollar, that ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Let's go. Baby, I was born to fight. It's hard to be yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going, cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner, cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna give up.
The last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight.
That's right.
Baby, I was born to fight.